Blue's settling in so well, so relaxed. He's done really, really well. You should be proud of him all.
Won't you stay a little longer, even if it's all pretend? And maybe by the morning I'll be ready for the end.
It's perfect for him. That's the biggest thing for me. The smile we give them. What these dogs do for us, like, it's massive.
Just give me one more night, hold me like you're still mine. Oh, love me for right now, before you leave me.
This place is beautiful. Always reassuring when you bring a dog to somewhere like this and you know the care for the animals.
Now, before you leave me. Oh, love me for right now, before you leave me.